AutoCAD is a computer-aided design (CAD) software used to create 2D and 3D designs and models. Developed by Autodesk, AutoCAD is one of the most widely used CAD software programs in the world. AutoCAD offers a wide range of features and tools for creating, editing, and manipulating geometric shapes and designs. It allows users to create precise and accurate drawings, with the ability to annotate and dimension their work. Additionally, AutoCAD supports the creation of 3D models, including solid modeling and surface modeling. AutoCAD is commonly used in industries such as architecture, engineering, and construction, as well as product design, manufacturing, and entertainment. It has a wide range of applications, including building design, mechanical engineering, and industrial design. Overall, AutoCAD is a powerful and versatile CAD software that offers users the tools and functionality needed to create complex and detailed designs and models.